Ebujanfo ahaye GCDews mema obibia akwaba ahade latest and hot news enkwa enamede bremo anuti so nya subscribe to channel area bomodi anse over subscribe do be an say over click the subscribe button no na wa bele notification ro we an sa new video bia be upload no when the first person was sabeka esa video afi we na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofofrosona wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanom afi yintie eye report ya ababetudwa yintie sansemo ya ekoso yintie
abia abusafo no tese
Mogabi mi wura ha no me hu se spiritual realm no hu bi wura ha
yes
uni ani hu
you are feeling it
na Alisa me ka se ma kire wo ne owura jo mama baba power ama
azago microphone mama
enniema bi nyame de bi acho ebe pie ebe yiri national television because say sia because say prophet me fake
you know
nyame acho ade bi vim vigo na wo me hu one this is the second time
so to the
Alisa say the osika history ye the krenye fake no yebe bodwa on Independence Square abrajo mama isi akonwa so a wo kan semo a nipa be hu a list akora wo ye
so on say menene ne Supreme Court any akuga
minim
fantastic
enti onipa bi intervals by e ma kokko sua ade bi but people don't know the entia edu be no bi hu ni Mugabe na nye kwambone so me kasa se prophet
o de sie
hwe Mugabe na mo ayi ba wa yo si ba na Alisa kasa o kasa ma real
ba kuma se te say kuma se
ya me kasa me kiro Orejo mama date the mayen mienu miensa a change na odiwufo bia ka kire me se abro no ma we tuntuntuntum ene fitan kwa bibi nim ye nyusu no ebra John be sie kumase omo pejo Mahama stroke omo hihye stroke omo hihye accident omo hihye ade a omba
that is why we are
abo bi di afafranto papa pani pa ka che mi nie dro bi ani ba enna me ti kroma nya saka oba tre kumase aye NDC adwuma se de me ye no e che se de odi ko ke twam hitro edre
ye be
nipa bonifo nipa yi nipa bonifo e wudifo pa na me no mu ti kro yi mu enti be ka sama gidi nipa o ka kire bo se president mama ba bia okoda ye obabi ba ko da ye be kan offer ye careful nipa mo serve na aduane mo serve nsuo nyina ye change no yes adwomama nipa bi ka se adwomama be wu ansa na to aba this is the time mo de pese adwomama ye kasa ampasa abem e bi ye prophet fake abukase adwomama be wu this is the time nipa na so ka che me pese mama be kroma na otwire obedi na otwo kroma no MPP from penny fo bi pa boni papa a unya obefa so ku adwomama die tia jomama me se me choleta to na jomama ma sacrifice ma jomama e de me kra me moja e de awene abawe no wa hwe me ma che me die tia me ka sa ne se
Jesus Christ
eni so atata papa le fe jomama no ma me ka sam die tia e dam bi wom so a ma boda mama ndipa ntiase
abusia
me ko bo na ma ne se me mo kro no me ni obi nto ko ke me ni ba na me yiri doctors ya nya se fibroid ha no anse de be ji se yiri fibroid jo mama se e bare na mani pa ni gie dia ba mama ni agi na otam doctor no ene me yiri to Holland Rotterdam ni koye me yiri fibroid
Jesus Christ
ndi pa we aye ni mo nyama ti se Yesu Kristo kura na me na be hia no so wo hia jo mama I am not wonder so de jo baby am me bono enye sike bi ro de mama sike pa dia me ni Akufo Addo anante Sikeli ya di padi ya Akufo Addo ni biska yi say John Mahama. I'm telling you the fact.
yes
John Mahama ye for Akufo Addo ye foreign affairs minister. Who run officer otchere drone wo yi dollar on kan. Ba ye ka wiase ade ye odo. Mahama so nipa wo hia bi da. Nipa de wo charge akoma ne kura sa pia se ba yi say sabe na John Mahama show love. Mahama no Alisa. Ini de me wo. We nipa eni pa me wuro so fa so no
apia meso
na ye kan tribute
apia meso Yes.
Osuma doctor na meyere ko Holland Rotterdam ye kwa meyere fibro ana menya nkwada mienu.
Yes.
Na kwabi di Bawumia chi babonte se John Mahama ne di meyere ne wo yenya sade John Mahama na etwi ni moja ne wo me mienu no kura ka mepe. We say
see
owura samiti bonko so te se me ma miewu o South Africa no afla Ibrahim Mahama fly private jet abesi commercial ba afo abejame ade me ma me abesia mrem okwasi obi no pagya ni mu bo no mu ansi no se maame nyame fa wonko opani ye bubo mu nyina ye kenyina no nya bibi na Mahama de ne me se sika pa ni pa ye bre ko perdi aka me be Akufo Addo na Akufo Addo de sika yi se John Mahama na John Mahama love we fe no odo ni woni pa mi wo bi da nti me na baby no bi ka John Mahama na o men woni mu nti o kana sama bi yam shime se wo shia Samaria ni ba no atore grawani ni nsu atwe no tiatema alisa na wo de wo odipa da sani etima bedi akonwa otimi be no ka kire se apia ebi ho aka mema obi na nipa wei nipa nim no ne ye kana chi asembone meni Akufo Addo nante meni je Akufo nante meni alenchamatia nante ba ade efe no do a nipa de tre wiase ye John Mahama obi antimi no medi Akufo Addo achi no obi ayi omo tatam se pema bo me call no office o ka tell me say hey ana no charge me my friend get away o tell me ewo British embassy Akufo Addo office bi o John Mahama abra nipa ko bo charge a chere kwa pressure ono be show love. This is a man on mine here no enti bodewuro na ye bori nyina no John Mahama mfie nan no kura Ghana for the man o wi a enya no na me pere ni madomo bese me dina chire ne kodi krom bole na me chire se wa hye me ni munyam wa ma tamfo nyame enya sika o me da me tibu kura Devilam te sida ko wo kura na bo am sie eso Devilam te me mo di do ba John Mahama okuta do edo hu ti na kuro we no ye fre no ma me afia basa men hia tetenwum krofo sa adwombi men hia o sante ni fie enwum kro wo se asante die wu ye ti krom ha radio ye Wontumi abi odi ne nkora de tuwa kan sama kase egu John Mahama ne sofo osubempa ene opambo osi Wontumi papa atia me kwati krom ne papa kura ba ye hweso ni o ne papa ne gya nyina afiri no esiremo onfiri ha aso Wontumi de se sebu se opam Kofi Boakye fi krom a de me pese me kan se me fa kwanya isu aka kire John Mahama ma ye oba se ye be wona Kofi Boakye ye be hye ne monyam na me bad me de sekan ba be to abo adwan mene sekan mra etie moja de banyina no na me tije mensa mene oni bossman ori pada seni wode ne sabe ka John Mahama victory de ba no me se me be yan wade wo krom ha me di kro bia santo kotoko hina chi ko brekum enkran kekos eko bom ho adagya opani onipa watimi amanya ba wa boam ya yi me yire fibroid wa ma hye me ni monyam ani manwu a me wo me kwati to adagya hye ne monyam e bone opani ade a be be ya kire John Mahama no me pa machi onipa da seni bia on de wa cheche mesi akwan se John Mahama ba wo ba kuroma no ye be sheki kuroma ye be kire sante se de o ma mu fra techem to eniema wa techem wo kejetia na obi bi wodua ne fito Wontumi mfa de na wo o se kire hwegu Wontumi sesa de na wo me tie condition nsi o to kejetia je se o pia se no wo se nsi o to no o ba kurom ha Akufo Addo abagye akonwa o de Bawumia 8 years kejetia face 2 Wontumi anye na nyi ono a ensanchofo bi no a omo ne se oni sabi abo adwan kwa da hayiye wuyi anu wo we obakko tra je Akufo nchen abra osabere ma je kum Akufo je owura rolling fi je akonyere mo na Ghana na petrol bo nya din na cement bo nya din sei alukura o ka say ye hwe asetrem nto aba na wo de wo ba Akufo ne Bawumia oba introduce say Bawumia ni economic ho awanti na ode ne maye wo ba ma cement bo ye de John Mahama ko cement ye 23 na na du 1.1 na dollar ye 38 na du 18 na enyema ho achiza o ka che say me Akufo Wontumi anyusu interview wan ka say ye hwe ase atetem nto aba na Akufo eda bimini na o ka say tie na men support a ba Akufo no wonder say ka say fe Kofi di ewuo ni dini ne honam say ni di Kofi di ewuo na nam anya bone. I'm not ready to insult the president Akufo. If they can be na maya appear stadium. But the credit say, who can job 32.9? Was it shiny the one you pee in any answer? We needed that term. enye onipa wanyini pi ne nim nyansa enye panimu na Kenya sabi oka asem nyansa sem enti ne kwele se wantimi anka hwe wasete meto abanansa ntwofo ti kroma esantrofo binima yekwakati kejeti asod yekwo bie do mama si ye owoka hu bi ne bie yekwakati airport yekwakati IC dan oka hu bi ene mo akwhye Bawumia na Akufo Addo ntumam ene mo no ma ya MPP aro na de meka twom se obreku aso anadwo ayechi aboa breku oso anadwo ayechi ya de dwon ba kroma na de wo de woye no ho ananse wani petubone wani pa wabo pa se dwo mama be di kroma nanso na nwotwe obema
abi avesiwa
ye be sacrifice your life at dwo mama
good
yeti kroma dwo mama weni aba kejeti amini mama panimu a otontomo odwom ofre pa wo pani se Mahama be family ma enne makofa boale wali nia be ye fragbera modi ntafo atamadi adie menu anu tafo yi menu anu semfo yi enkofo wei omo pamo de akata mo bone no mo kro no mo boy so omo mpentafo asam o omo dedem ye ne omo na ti krom ha omo di ntafo atam omo timi ka asam se tani sabi onye nipa enne omo papa wana kata Akufo Addo ne Bawumia kro no bone omo die mti omo fi so omo doctor ni no makofo na omo poa kwa de John nipa ye ni mu na awofo ye fe John Mahama ona de reta ebrewei fi ekote John Mahama Akufo Addo Bawumia nti sabi nkofo de sada aduanum ye beti Benedi Alista
the lands opposite Bema camp e dine wo ho ni nyina je Akufo otoni cheap nkrafo asase otoni cheap 5,000
unim na nabi yi because ye be ya no ho adwuma wie
nana
say ya press conference
Boakye mattress ba Sebinte sa champion na man ni papa yes ni papa no ye mattress wo Ghana the spring ni foam ye mattress wo Ghana
papa
yes into
national organizer MPP
yes Boakye mattress ni bani na nabi you should come and deny father Agyapong kutu Agyapong ne boa ne papa mani ne
kutu Agyapong
the late kutu Agyapong
Ghana so for 6 years and some
yes that Ghanaians would take the commanding heights of the economy. It gave him opportunity through the National Investment Bank. You cannot bring trouble to us. Ya boa open ya boa wabusi open e wo Ghana hanu mo yes and na papa Akufo wa power no or to talk Ghana sasi e dan yesi dada I see a government building say old. It will be 5,000 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000
evidence.
And then this is what they are there. They are opposite the Bema camp. Go check the ownership. Mugabe me come lie about anybody. Me and me say me politics na me no. Me any evidence. I'm saying I entered politics so that the right thing will be done for this country.
That's
what I'm telling you that I Alistair Nelson,
fantastic.
I'm the one saying it.
You take responsibility.
Yes, because I'm a responsible person.
Fantastic.
I love my country. I want my country to succeed in whatever I do for my country. So I would not let people come and cheat us and go away and flout the wealth they have gotten from politics or from this nation. Your body petrol will come up just for 50,000. Champion Bonnie Ben Odi. And then you have politicians who have stolen in excess of millions of dollars and they want to flaunt their weight on us and they want to disrupt the nation through elections. It will not happen.
Nanabi will cause fear and panic in this region.
Or no one can cause fear and panic. Omudi a party yesika. Omudi policy about more rakwaye mua. Omakofa yasasimu noriye a go motom galam say. Omudi confusion by to go against them. Omo more pesika ko go brotrea. Omo money omunana mukodi or the confusion by to go against them. I'm telling you.
American embassy say obi answer to me nko.
They have to. There are a list of people I want to mention their names that they shouldn't give them the opportunity. Omo yenu mukrani omo market they crab omo tu kwai. Let them stay here. We have given you opportunity to come and govern. JMN power. And I'm moving can who some try no one draw. And I'm with you to me no. Yeah, yes, party be about 8 years. Me, I'm part of the Yerisisemu movement. Me, I'm part of it. Because of accountability alone. So be bad not check more than 8 years. Or my bro. It will have to let the person go and rest. Mokono be asikana mokoya ni mokoaba. Shika nya boy, you take the money and go and chop. Chop it cool. We will come and reset the country. What did they make us see? But se chinchinachi.
How can you be in power like a soldier ya woka say? Near my platform to talk. Now Kasa say.
The next thing is that he must be sacked immediately. The NDC from yes, on 8th January 2025.
So anyway,
yes, you sack all of them and take everything away from him. His accoutrements, nothing. Take everything away from him. His benefits, take everything away from him. Oman Bofono, he attempted and didn't succeed. Quickly, when we die, when you can't, you can't. Lock in the office. What? I'm shocked. What? Now, Chrono board you here. Okay, Chiman's and Eastern Regional. And your first year in a big constituency. That's the name of the district. Yes. Baby, Uja for one, Galamsey and one. Galamsey and none, you return gold was South Africa, no, baby, one of DMP. No. Yes, and you have no free, they cannot destroy anything. Mugabe, that's what I'm saying, say. O many at the Shemunsa. At the Shemunsa, so we saw that, you have opportunity to govern, so we gave you time. 2020, beyond Jim to Musemu Winnie, but Yenya Botania the Shemu. 1 year, Muetes, as soon as Mupese, Mudi confusion back. Mugabe, we have to be careful and conscious of what you are doing. One, watch Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, who leads the MPP. Before he even became flag bearer of the party, the distraction that he had to cause in order to lead his party. Watch what he did before he became leader of his party. In Kofi Nana Kwame, unimno.
When I was with
no wala badi me tini
ka in the studio Monti FM.
Yes, me akasa na me friend no me ni komo
abranti ya no di o machi ne kwa Makelampo.
Yeah, ampo unim say the back soldier.
Why Nana Kwame
back soldier. How would you even identify him that this is Nana Kwame's son? And if there is vengeance, yes, the back was soldier. The back what did it happen? And you don't know where those people's children and family members have gotten to now. If you don't think say you unkwa na ukita Jimboni and you unkwa na ukita Jimboni, if you decide to revenge for what happened to his father, do you know who will be directing his anger at? Please, what the moment you might dissuade you, yes,
but can you be in power? And I didn't figure say opposition, you know, 18 amount for her. That means your secret breaking.
That is a trick. They are doing it, and we have not seen it. And on my yard, inti obika onogasa litrimu abuano for. It's
a press conference and
why and what kind of numsem
and no more directed to Kofi Boakye.
What says I guy na I no person match Sammy Jenfi. No, to be Afenyo studio. Now don't sako bono. Sadia na yemi ya besine na big here. Na big see saso to no boss Sammy Jenfi no. No, that is why you listen. No, you have withdrawn that side.
Two runs don't make it right.
But he's here today. He's here singing war songs when his party is in power. We have 19 days. 19 days. And some free power.
Aka 17.
I some free power.
Aka 17.
And look at what he's threatening who. Bogabi,
the free market system.
Asante will change. Mark my words.
Asante what?
Asante will change.
Nadia na fear panic on the bad region.
That is they want to keep the NDC people inside, so that the MPP people will come out and vote, and then they'll continue to cheat and put the ballot papers in their.
But that is not possible.
That is what they want to do.
But that is not possible.
That is their tricks they have been using. They intimidate people. Hey, money namu pia ibekumu we Asante Fokro untumi mpie. So if we are unani, we are Nkreni, we are Fantinin, so that's what they want to do. But it won't work. Mugabe, so we have to rise up. I'm saying the person who leads the charge, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, he had to destroy portions of his party.
Kofi Boakye, Kofi Boakye retired. Now a leading member of the NDC is part of the security team. They will sit down in this region and allow Nanabi Wontumi to, do such things.
Hey,
COP Kofi Boakye retired.
Mimpo my suggestion says a JM.
Now when him COP COP Akolugu
Mugabe,
former director, in charge of finance, Ghana Police Service.
Mugabe,
when him COP retired Bright Odro. Former Director General CID.
Yeah.
Hey,
Mugabe, asema America ni se obo Kofi Boakye jinu. Mi si wabodi nkese. Me se me ye JM unim de me. Se me ba power pe me kwa ko free free pension no be DIGP. Because nyoma bebre akoswa, you need somebody of his type to come and correct.
But is it possible?
It is possible. Onsu nsiane onsu achia yankofo mo free fiama. Me bisa o je ku fa akofo mo free 6 years 8 years
uniform.
Yes, I show my uniform. Because at that time do say the post mama ya farm home into when so no Kofi Boakye no yanko fanning free film number head the police just for 2 years.
But the engines are working. I will tell you one interesting thing today.
Tell me, Mugabe.
And it's only 4 p.m.
Yo, you do so. Mugabe.
Yes, the engines are working.
I'm saying say no why you see bah oh kasaye misuye why you see bro brema menhia bro brema NAPO or brema no now yare no pe bibi kakra
kidney infection.
Yes,
So take KiII Mahama.
oh so John Mahama I don't know, we'll never
Was it your mama here when you know sa tutian?
tie
I feel way there.
tie nyame ne man be kan enum sem nyina omo John Mahama aye omo papa obi wo ho or active film or Asante Bediatuo ha John Mahama ne man ko hu abrochire John Mahama ne man ka first ene obehu no company ti Mahama oboni hudua ja no mo ne hudua
Me no be.
odu say atam obe break it down kra no obeba be free JM but JM ni nyankopon atasoro that is divine God that is
So for us to pass a good heart.
yes he has a good heart and he has nothing against anybody. What is someone who can't try no? Is it bitter in his campaign or cassette? Is humble, his demeanor, is conscious to the people. He wants to come and reset Ghana. He has an agenda. He has a focused vision.
And on your tribal politics.
Debbie, and I'm Tio, send your Tieno, and Kadia Kosu or mine, say you be and Kabadisa will create confusion, baby.
Kasaboko.
Yes, he's calm. He's the first person to speak for you to calm down. That is John Dramani Mama. A lot of drama around him. Mugabe, what kind of book leader? What kind of the book leader? My first school data. Let every young person following the NDC or in Ghana here get a copy of John Mahama's book. My first school data. I read it. See the person who is.
Asante Bediatuo yenim de otumi. I was over Jumaye.
Asante radio where Jumaye. Omo person omo de trouble bre Asante. Yeah.
But my video na me boy wo han. Obi amobi wa Asante Memhada.
Special video pa Mugabe.
Yes, and now me boy no. Now my for has here request Mugabe, can we get a copy of the video? Sammy me free can buy.
Sir. Mugabe say asema make an one. Nyoma bebre dawa as a party no. We have to watch. We shall see Nanado how he managed to destroy his party, the fabric of his party, in order to lead the party. Only the party no cry no. Only the party no cry in someone na or yeah the bubu party no. Yes, champion ra. O go yeah your money cry or yeah the say the party and son oba be lead the party. O lead the party in tokwa ko ye afoko mu omo obu omo Kobre Agyapong mu nyomo seseye o sacrifice CPP ni ebedi ni chairman. Alisa, send your man bebre. Me my entrance in channel. Send your man bebre and send our Bawumia. Ababe dinida. Yes, abe trust no what say Ghana. Bawumia be the president.
To buy angels na.
And you obi aba.
Some culture say angels no amabo fie bia mu. 900 million angels. Mo fa camera no to me so ye. Yes. Mugabe massive the capacity man. Yes, more fire, more bomb, more Indian belly. One and panga, boom fan and Zimsame. One your friend Chewa, if you know, dear no more horn. Within the Chewa, I can see a dear no Chewa. We get Difuana, we will be a woodiga. Chewa. We fear no dear no more horses here in Asante region.
Yo, waiting for winning and summer about beto yep no so Mikao says so when you subscribe to channel area Bomodia say obe subscribe now feel so while like the video now feel share by for so now when you be here now who and somewhere cause we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de brown kuzo betimi achere wadwen afa aye and so we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.